welcome back to my channel. I love today's video. I love sharing with you guys the girls' gifts that we get them for Christmas and their birthdays and for Easter. So I do it every year. I just shared in January what we got our 9-year-old for her birthday, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys what we're giving our almost 15-year-old for her birthday. By the time you see this, she will be 15. I've done this video for the past couple years, so I will link all of the previous years' gift guides for their birthdays and Christmas and Easter in case you need lots of gift ideas for the girls in your life. But like I said, today is my 15-year-old daughter's birthday gifts. Now, the only thing I don't have to show you is something that I will show you a picture of. It hasn't come in yet. And I wanted to go ahead and get this video filmed so I can get this stuff wrapped and out of my closet. So I will show you that and talk about that, but I don't have it like here to show you in person anyway. So the first thing I'm going to show you, okay, so let me go back a little bit. So if you watched my what we got our 9-year-old daughter for her birthday video, I said we got them both 4 things. I ended up giving my youngest daughter the little hedgehog squishy that I was going to save for Easter, so that made her have 5 things. So my oldest daughter also now has 5 because I got to keep it even. So 5 things for her birthday this year. Some people may think that's too much. Some people may think that's too little. Some people may think these things are too expensive. Some people may think these things are too cheap. I don't know. This is just what we're doing and what works for us, and I just thought it'd be helpful if you guys want to see it. So that's my disclaimer, as I now always say, because people always get on here and say, you're cheap or you're too extravagant or whatever. Because you know, you can't make everybody happy on the internet. But anyway, so that's my disclaimer that I pretty much say now in front of every gift video. You don't have to get these things if you don't like them, but I thought it'd be helpful for you guys if you want some ideas. So this one thing I'm going to show you is actually a 6th item. I was going to get this for my daughter for her birthday, but my youngest daughter wanted to be the one to give it to her. So even though I am physically not going to be the one like saying this is from me and your dad, my youngest daughter is going to give it to her, and I think it's a great deal, and so I wanted to share it with you guys, even though technically this is not one of her 5 gifts that we are giving her. My youngest daughter now is giving her this. This is a Kendra Scott necklace. If you guys know anything about Kendra Scott, it's a jewelry boutique that you can kind of make your own jewelry, which is really fun, but they have a really neat program that in the month of your birthday, you take in your driver's license or your birth certificate or whatever, and during your birth month you get 1 item at 50% off. So that's kind of why my youngest daughter kind of hijacked this gift, because my youngest daughter's birthday is in January, my oldest daughter's birthday is in February. So I took my youngest daughter in with me with my youngest daughter's birth certificate because she has a January birthday, and that means anything she picked out for her sister she would get 50% off for. So that's why she kind of was like, well, I want to be the one to give it to her because I helped you pick it out, which I get, I understand. So that's a great deal. So if you have a gift for somebody coming up and it's your birth month and you need to get them a gift at 50% off, you know, go ahead and go during your birth month so you get 50% off. And that's what we did. And so basically we chose this really pretty, I guess it's, I don't know if it's silver or white. I guess it's silver. It must be. Hang on. Let me see. Well, it doesn't say if it's real silver. I don't know if it is or not, but it is a white metal chain with this really pretty sparkly iridescent bead in the middle. And that's what we chose, was we chose the setting of the necklace and we chose the little gemstone in the middle. They had tons of different ones to choose from. The reason we chose this one, even though it's kind of clear, because no matter what color you put it in front of, it kind of takes on the color of what's behind it. So I thought that was a good way to kind of have it match pretty much all of her shirts, no matter what color they were. So we picked that out. It was only, I think, $30 with the 50% off. So it was a great deal, and it did come in this cute little box. So I understand why my youngest daughter wants to give her this, because she was there. She did help pick it out. So it was a great gift, and I think it's a great gift idea, or just something you can get yourself in your birth month. If you want to go out and treat yourself, take your driver's license in, say, hey, it's my birth month. I want 50% off. And you'll get 50% off 1 item. So this I'm really excited about because last year, I think it was, I got her, I say I because I picked out the gifts. My husband has no clue what they have. So when I say I, just know that I mean it's from him too, but he didn't pick it out. So anyway, last year we got her the Klutz Best Year Ever planner, I think is what it's called. So it's like a planner that comes with stickers and little things. You can like personalize your planner. So she said that she really enjoyed that last year, and so I wanted to get her another planner this year that she can really customize and make her own. So this one I found from Target. It's the STMT DIY Planner Super Set. So it comes with this really pretty pink planner, if you can see there. It's got like a tassel, it's got washi tape, it's got pins, it's got little stickers and little decals. Let's see what's it got. 1 journal, 2 stamps, 1 stamp pad, 3 washi tapes, foil tape, sticker sheet, chipboard pieces, 8 gel pens, 4 magnetic bookmarks, the faux suede tassel keychain, 3 printed pages, 1 glue stick, and the instruction sheet. So it's not dated, which I like, because giving it to her in February, I needed to make sure that she wasn't going to be missing out on 2 months of her planner. So she can date it herself, and it'll last her until, 12 months from whenever she starts it. So if she starts it March 1st, it'll last until March 1st of 2020. So I thought it was really pretty. I feel like it's the next step up from the Klutz version. It's a little bit more grown up since she is 15. And I think it's going to be something she's going to have a really good time, planning out her weeks and writing her assignments or however she wants to use it. I thought it was really fun, and I think she'll like that. So I got that from Target. What else that I picked up for her that she's been wanting for a while? She wanted the Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild video game. We keep their video games kind of to a minimum. I'm sorry, I'm picking Loki hair out of my sleeve. We keep their video games to a minimum. We keep their screen time definitely to a minimum. Well, my youngest daughter doesn't have a phone, but my oldest daughter, we try to keep it reined in as much as possible. But she's really wanted this for a while. She's talked about it for quite some time. And we do have a Wii U. I know there's a new something that just came out. We don't have that. We have a Wii and we have a Wii U. In addition to PlayStations, but her and my youngest daughter usually do the Wii U the most, and so I got this for her. I don't know why she wants it. I don't know that she's ever even played Zelda. Maybe she has. I have no clue, but she has wanted it for about a year now, and I figured if she's still talking about it, she probably really wants it. So I did pick this up from Amazon. Also, something else that she's talked about, and thankfully she likes makeup. For a long time she didn't like makeup, and I was like, oh no, because I love makeup and I really liked sharing with her about it and giving her my products and giving her advice, and just, I don't know, I loved makeup growing up, and I was like, she's not gonna like makeup and I'm never gonna be able to share this with her. But thankfully she did get into makeup when she was around 13, and we keep it, pretty low key still a little bit, but she does wear, face makeup. She wears eyeshadow, eyeliner, mascara. It's just the style that she puts it on that we really make sure that, it's kind of kept youthful into a minimum. But she was saying that she does not have any matte eyeshadows. Everything she's got is shimmer. And so I have talked about this before. I'm going to try to open this. Somebody complained when I opened one of her Christmas presents to show you guys what it looked like. They complained and said that I opened it and I should not have opened her gift. It wasn't like I was using it. I'm just opening it to show you guys. I mean, how fun is this for you to look at? Look, it's a box. So I am going to open it, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. And I'm not going to touch it, and I'm not going to use it and stick my fingers in it. So I'm just going to open it. It's a palette. It is the Makeup Revolution Flawless Matte 32 Professional Eyeshadows. I have this same palette. I use it literally every single day. They are amazing quality, and I love that they are all matte shadows. It gives you so much variety in the different looks that you can get. I'm not really sure how it's coming off on camera, because on camera all of these look the same color to me, but they're not. There's browns and grays and taupes and mushroom colors and some light sage colors. I mean, there are tons of colors in here that she can use in combination with her shimmer shadows, or if she wants to do an all matte look, she definitely can. This one is really hard to find. I got mine at Ulta and paid like $9 for it. Apparently Ulta doesn't sell it anymore. I had to get this from the actual Makeup Revolution website, and I had to pay like $25 for it. Not that it's that much money, but knowing that I could have gotten it at Ulta for like $9 was like painful to me. But I went ahead and got it because I do really love mine, and they are really good quality shadows, and having that many shadows kind of at your disposal really is convenient and gives you lots of different varieties. So I thought she'd really enjoy that. Next thing I have to show you, I do not have to show you because it hasn't come in yet. But if you guys know, I've talked about her before and I've shared some of her artwork before. She is a very talented artist, and she does at this point say that she wants to do something with her art as a career. I'm not really sure if it's going to be animation or graphic design or illustration. We don't really know yet. She doesn't really know yet. But she just knows that she loves drawing, and I know as her mother, and I know that I'm her mom, and so you're gonna say, well, you're prejudiced because you're her mom. But no, she is really, really gifted. We get stopped on a daily basis when she takes her art pad with her out places. People comment every single day about how amazing her artwork is and how talented she is and how she should really do something with that as a career. And so it's not just me saying it. Both the girls are really talented. But she really does have a natural gift for art, and she really wanted a drawing tablet that she could use on the computer to really do, she still wants to draw on paper, but she wanted to be able to try her hand at drawing on an art tablet, which basically hooks up to your computer. So even though you're drawing on this tablet, what you're drawing is going to come up on the computer instead of on paper. So I ordered the Huon H610 Pro Graphic Drawing Tablet with pen pressure sensitivity carrying bag and glove. That is what is coming in the mail. It'll be here in a couple days, but I wanted to go ahead and get this video filmed for you guys. So I think she's really going to love it, and I really hope that the reviews on there are accurate because it got really, really good reviews, and it's not that expensive. So I'm really excited about that. So if you have an aspiring artist or a budding artist in your family that really enjoys drawing or thinks they may want a career in the art and animation, graphic design kind of illustrator field, then it may be something to look into. There are ones that are cheaper than that, even smaller, and I wanted to kind of give her a kind of a middle of the road one to start out with. So definitely an exciting purchase. I think she's going to love it, and that is something that we got her for her birthday this year. Okay, so the last thing I have to share with you guys that we're going to be giving her for her 15th birthday is really special because I talked about this before Christmas, how I don't go super crazy with gifts. I don't get my kids crazy extravagant gifts unless I feel like, first of all, it's in the budget and I feel like it's going to be a quality item that they're going to use and love and take care of. That's like a big deal. That being said, I did work with Teddy Blake back before Christmas. They were kind enough to send me a Teddy Blake purse, which I was really excited about because other than a Dooney and Burke purse that I had in high school and a Coach purse that I got from the outlet, it was the first designer purse that I have had as an adult, and I'm 38 years old. So it was a pretty exciting day when I got to work with them. So they were kind enough to work with me again on this video. It's not sponsored, but they did send me a purse to give her for her birthday. And I'm not gonna say no to that because they are amazing quality purses that I feel like if you're gonna get a quality purse for a young teenager or an adult, you know, you really should get one that is worth what it costs. And I really love the Teddy Blake bag that they sent me in December, and so I have another one for her from them to give her for her birthday, which I thought was super generous because it's going to be her first designer bag. And even though I say a designer bag, it is still a very reasonable price tag as far as real leather designer bags go. But I wanted to give her a purse that is really good quality, that I think will last her a long time, that is a timeless style, that is versatile and functional, and that I know she's gonna love. For her, I picked out the Sarah crossbody. This is a genuine leather bag. It is a crossbody, which is how she likes to wear her purses. I don't. I like to wear mine on my shoulder. This one can be worn on your shoulder or as a crossbody. It's got this really long strap with these little stations here. All the way up here, you can go and adjust it to all different settings, so you can make it as long or as short as you want. And I feel like this is really neat because this is one of their new colors they just came out with. And it's a gray metallic, which I think she's gonna love because I feel like it's a youthful version of a black neutral, but that little bit of extra interest that I think she's really gonna like. I think she's gonna like the style and how it closes here with this little tab. And then when you open it up, she's got lots of room on the inside to put her wallet and her phone and anything else that she needs to take with her when she's on the go. So I'm really excited because I think she's really gonna love this. I think it's gonna be something that she's gonna get a lot of use at, which is what I think is important when you're getting an item that is a higher price. I think it's really important to pay attention to quality, how much use that you're gonna get out of something or whoever the gift is for. You know, if they're gonna wear it like twice, it's probably not worth your money. But something like this that is a timeless style and that is really high quality, that's gonna last for a long time, I don't have a problem with that. I just think it's when people only want things because they're expensive, that's when you start running into problems. And I definitely don't feel like that's the issue with her. So I think she is definitely ready to have a few more higher priced items in her wardrobe. And in her closet to be able to use and love and appreciate. So I wanted to share it with you guys. So that is everything that we are giving her for her 15th birthday. I feel like it's definitely a mix of things that are in all different categories, which is pretty much her personality. One minute she's like a diva and she's all dressed up and fancy. The next minute she's playing Minecraft with her sister. Like, she's very versatile, which I love about her, because that is, I think, a great way to be. You don't want to be all one way or the other. She can really do lots of different things. She enjoys doing lots of different things. And I think it's fun to shop for her because she is so versatile and likes so many different things. So I hope you enjoyed this video and it gave you some great gift ideas. Make sure you check out the links for everything in the description box. Also, check out the Teddy Blake website. I have linked for you guys in the description box. They have tons of really beautiful bags, handbags and shoulder bags and crossbodies and wallets that you can pick from, all different colors. They came out with a couple different colors in some of their styles for spring, like this one, the gray spark, I believe it's called. They have tons of different colors and different styles. They make really great gifts, and they always seem like they're having a great sale. So it's a really good way to get a high quality designer bag at a lower price point, which I think is really important. Definitely check out the description box if you want to purchase any of these things that I share with you guys, and also to find any of the previous gift guide videos that I've done in the past. You'll find a link for those videos in the description box. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure if you did, you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end of this video. If you want to see 2 of my older videos, you can click the links right here. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, if you haven't already, and you definitely should, you can click right here. I upload every single week. I have some links in the description box for some of my favorite stores and products, as well as my P.O. Box address. Check out those links if you're interested in those, and I will see you guys in the next video.